Instagram just launched a brand new map feature, and while it sounds interesting, many people are already calling it one of the most dangerous updates they have ever released. Today, I'm breaking down exactly what this feature is, the twisted theories, why people are concerned, and most importantly, how you can protect yourself. Within this, I will also share what the head of Instagram had to clarify about the ongoing concerns. So what is this map feature? Now think of it like this. You know how on WhatsApp you can share your live location with a friend so they can find you? Instagram map is a bit like that, except it's inside Instagram. The new Instagram map lets you share your last active location with people you choose, whereby you can select mutual followers, close friends, or even create a custom list. Your location updates every time you open or return to the app, not in real time, but close enough. So where do you find this feature? So first of all, to access this feature, your Instagram app has to be updated to the latest version. Additionally, as of now, it's only available in the US, but Instagram is going to roll it out to all the countries in the next coming weeks. So to access it, you can then find this option at the top of your direct messages in a new map tab. Additionally, even if you're not sharing your location, you can still see posts, stories, and reels tagged to locations all over the map, along with little status notes from others. So now regarding the concerns, here is where it gets complicated. People are reporting that their location is showing up on the map without their knowledge. Some even claim they saw their home address visible to all their followers, which is a bit frightening. In a similar case, privacy experts warn this could make stalking and harassment much easier, especially for women, minors, and individuals with abusive ex-partners. Others are concerned about how long Instagram retains your location history, of which currently it's up to 28 days. Additionally, there are concerns that even if you turn off GPS, Instagram could still estimate your location from your IP address. Now that is about the concerns. Now that you know what this feature is and how it operates, let's address the twisted theories. You might have come across so many scary articles or videos that are claiming Instagram is doxing you. No, Instagram is not doxing anyone. The new mapping feature is opt-in, which means you must manually choose to enable it and go through steps of acceptance and configuration. So anyone claiming that this feature is activated by default or turned on without their knowledge is simply not telling the truth. In fact, Adam Mosseri, the head of Instagram, had this to say when asked whether their location is automatically being shared.
Absolutely not. We're never going to share your location without someone actually actively asking to do so. I know there's a lot of confusion this week with the friend map. The way it works is if you want to share your location, your live location, you can do that either with followers you follow back, which we call friends, your close friends list, or a custom list that you curate, or nobody, but the default is nobody. And if you post a photo or a story or a reel and you add a location to it, then that post can show up on the map. But that again is something that you have to decide that you want to do. There's been some confusion. I think people sometimes are thinking that when they give permission to the app to see location, that they're actually sharing the location. That's not the case. Or when they see a story from someone that has a location, that person is sharing their live location. That is also not the case. We're going to try to clean up the design as quickly as possible to make sure people are not confused.
Now, here are more ways to stay safe with this feature. First, if you don't need this feature, turn it off. Go to your DMs, open the map tab, tap settings and toggle off location sharing for everyone. Second, double check your phone's app permissions and block Instagram from accessing your location entirely. That acts as a kill switch. It can't track what it can't access. Third, if you do choose to use it, limit it to only close friends or a custom list of people you trust completely. Also, you have to consider clearing your location history regularly. It can be found in the map settings as well. Lastly, take a moment to audit your followers. If you wouldn't share your address with someone in person, they probably shouldn't have access to your location on Instagram. So finally, Instagram claims this feature is completely optional, but the backlash highlights a significant gap between optional and safe. So until Meta strengthens privacy controls, the safest option is to keep your location sharing off, or at least be very selective about who can see it. So what do you think? Share your thoughts in the comments, and if you found this useful, give it a like so more people can learn how to protect themselves, and subscribe to the channel, and see you in the next one.